Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's Microsoft Word tutorial, we will be showing you how to easily access the clipboard feature in Word. Let's get started. To access the clipboard in Microsoft Word, follow these simple steps. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, locate the ribbon at the top of the window. The ribbon contains various tabs such as Home, Insert, and View. Look for the Home tab, as that's where you'll find the clipboard feature. Now let's take a closer look at the clipboard feature. The clipboard allows you to store and manage copied or cut text and images. It's an incredibly handy tool for copy and paste tasks. To access the clipboard, click on the Expand button located in the bottom right corner of the clipboard group. A clipboard pane will appear on the left side of the screen, showing all the contents currently stored in the clipboard. Here you can see previously copied or cut items. To paste an item from the clipboard into your document, simply click on the desired item in the clipboard pane. The item will be inserted at the cursor's location. If you want to paste the item with the formatting it had when copied or cut, use the Paste Options feature. Whenever you paste an item, a small icon will appear near the pasted content. Click on that icon to see the available paste options. From the Paste Options menu, you can choose to keep the original formatting, merge formatting, use destination formatting, or simply paste as plain text. It's worth mentioning that you can also clear the clipboard by clicking the Clear All button in the clipboard pane. This removes all the items from the clipboard, giving you a fresh start. And there you have it. It's a valuable tool for managing copied or cut content, making your workflow more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.